What I believe that CNC gives our clients is a relentless effort in everything that we do, in the way we think about a claim, in the way we process the claims, in the way we're always thinking about better customer service, better technology, the right mix of customer service and technology, infrastructure, people, training, facilities. Talk about being competitive. It allows us to be competitive in getting claims processed quickly for a policyholder or a client, faster than our client's competition and our competition. We have the right mixture of managers, experience, and inside personnel. Our third-party administrative services include private flood for the London market, as well as specialized CAT services for those clients who may need additional TPA services during major events, as well as daily type TPA services. It's a little bit different animal, and you kind of got to know what you're doing, how to get the work done, and how to best serve those clients. What we provide to a policyholder is a place that they can go to know that we're going to settle the claim correctly, fairly, timely, and we're going to give it our all. We're going to give it our all in the way we communicate with them, in the technology that we provide them, in the technology we provide our adjusters to help them move the claim faster along for a policyholder, examiners, SLAs. I mean, I think the facility by itself speaks volumes to, hey, this company's for real in what they do, not just behind a phone. You know, we're real people here. We're real. We've got a real facility. We've got structure. The biggest compliment a policyholder can ever provide you is when they thank you for settling their claim and they will not receive the payment. That's the biggest compliment an adjuster can ever receive. And we just had one last week, and it was kind of cool. Even our client recognized it and said, yeah, that's kind of cool. They got no money. And they were like, process was great. We sure appreciate it.